Don't you just hate it when you're working on a project and you take something off and then you find these kind of fasteners, something that somebody's damaged before? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you a couple different ways to get out fasteners like this, because it can be very aggravating. First things first, I always start with an impact driver. And as you can see, this one's been used quite a bit. I've had it a long time. And usually it gets stuck fasteners out, but these look pretty bad. And there we go. As simple as that. Usually an impact driver never fails me. Now some of you may say, well, that's fine and dandy, but what if the head is so damaged that you can't get that in and it just spins? This tool that I like is these GraBits, and they come in 3 different sizes. I decided I'm going to try this one first. That's roughly the size it is. First, it drills a pilot hole. And there, we've drilled a pilot hole, and you run these in reverse. And then you just flip the tool around. And it works like an easy out. It drives itself in there, twists it out. And if you get it straight, it comes out straight, but there you go. And that's 2 ways to get out stuck bolts with damaged heads. Oh, you're still here. Yeah, you might wanted to see these again. These are the GraBits, and they come in a bunch of different sizes. I have a bunch for different kinds of sizes of bolts, and they work really good. Now, a lot of you are going to say, well, what if I have hex head and all that? Well, same thing here. You can use an adapter, put a socket on your impact driver. Use these, they'll drill into, center punch the head of a hex bolt. But on vintage bikes, these JIS style Phillips head screws are most common, and people use the wrong screwdrivers and damage up the heads, and that's what happened here. And having tools like these at your disposal can help you keep a project on track when you run into this kind of problem. Well, anyway, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like this video, check out my website, and I'll see you in the next video.